Hi again, everyone. Oy'Nissh. This is my first video in dedication to the reggae girls, particularly Tiernny Wiltshire. So this is the first video going into her gallery, the one that I'm honoring her with. As I did mention, I'm creating galleries to honor the members of the Reggae Girl team. But the good thing is that if the designs and patterns they see in the gallery they want to use, it's theirs for the taking. They just need to contact me first. But at least this is the first design going into artwork, and it features the V'chóm Veeliksa that's assigned specifically to this reggae girl for her outstanding contribution to the team and to Jamaica. So the original V'chóm have been turned into what's known as a Millvrant White. So it's a minimalistic approach, very simple, very stylish. So this will be the first design, and it's in the form of an art print and to be used as wall art. This one is a large print, but it could be smaller if I want to. But I just think it would be nice to have it in the living room and so forth. So to Tiernny, this is the first of the V'chóm that have been dedicated to you in the form of art. I hope that you like it. And for all those who are watching, please share it with your friends, and we'll get into the rest of the video as I now explain, not so much explain, but introduce to you a little more about the Veeliksa. Thanks. In Gwaifirmir V'chóm, in Veeliksa V'chóm, in NJE V'chóm, in Patwa V'chóm.